So the seat on this Kubota has seen better days. It's pretty trashed, and the back support doesn't work. It just flops back. So we're gonna swap it out with one we got on Amazon and see how that works out. Here's the replacement seat that I ordered. Just got delivered today from Amazon. Looks like it comes mostly assembled. Get this out of the bag here and take a look. And here's a look at it out of the box. I just had to lift this lever here to release the back, and then the back folded up and the arms folded down. They have these adjustments here. And when you spin those adjustments, the angle of the armrest will go down or up. So just trying to get this either down or up, whatever angle you like. Otherwise, they're not adjustable. It's just a firm piece of steel here, and it just has that ability to rotate. It's got your standard seat belt, lap belt. And in the back here, this headrest does come up. That's about as high as it goes. It's got this fake leather throughout. I'm not sure what this adjustment is here yet. I gotta look. Oh, there we go. Okay, just your box here for your owner's manuals. What other documents you want to put. That's it. Just does that. And looks like it has a seat awareness switch here. So this hopefully will plug into the Kubota wiring harness, because I'm putting this into a Kubota tractor. And hopefully that works without any headache there. And otherwise, it's got a standard set of a couple rails I'll show you underneath that we'll use to bolt down. Here's the forward and aft release that you'll use to lift that up and unlock, so you can slide it forward and back. And you can see that the rails will just go in and out, so you can adjust, so you can reach the pedals. All right, let's get it into the tractor and take a look. To get the old seat out, looks like I just need to take out these 4 bolts. Looks like there's one here, there, front and back, and hopefully that's all it takes to rip the old seat out. Well, I got the old seat out. I did not video that part. It would not have been children friendly. That seat is so heavy. What a battle. Had to lift it just up and jammed in between the steering column and this piece here, and just kind of tumbled out. And I mean, it must weigh 70 pounds. It's so awkward. So we're gonna get this all cleaned up and then see what to do about the replacement. Here's a look at the new one and the old one. Looks like the height's gonna be similar. Just a little bit taller on this side. But I'm gonna ditch this whole piece and just put this Kubota plate back and mount this onto that Kubota plate. Sadly, this is just about as heavy as this one, so it's gonna be hard putting that back in. I think we've got multiple bolt holes here in case we need them. Or we'll have to make some that'll fit the tracks on that one. This ended up taking a little bit longer than I thought it would. What I had found is that these rails that came with this seat don't line up to anything good on this Kubota plate that bolts to the floor of the Kubota. And where they would mount would conflict with the bolts that bolt this to the floor of the Kubota. So what I did is I used a long bolt and I used some spacers. You can see that head of that bolt in there wedged into this channel. And so I lifted this whole thing up so I'll be able to clear the bolts that are going to go in here, and they won't conflict with anything going on here. So that's what's going on with that. That took a while to figure that out. I had to drill holes here to line up with these rails. These existing holes didn't help me. So bottom line, the seat, it's going to work with the Kubota, but not super compatible out of the box. Now let's go ahead and put this thing into the tractor. It took me a couple hours, probably 3 hours, to get this all done from start to finish. And here's the end result. And you can see how I've lifted it up so that those mounting bolts here at the bottom aren't impacted by those rails, so they're lifted up and out of the way. I got some spacers. We'll see how durable this ends up being. If not, I'll take it apart and then I'll weld some kind of beam going across so that it's got stability all the way across, not just at those 4 points, but maybe this will hold. We'll see how this goes. I've also got a crack in the back of that platform in my Kubota from the old seat that I may need to weld at some point. So this whole floor panel may need to come out underneath the chair. So, but yeah, for the money, I think this worked out quite well. The seat's really comfortable, and the armrests adjust, and the seat back adjusts, and didn't have that before. Before it was just falling apart. It's really old. So anyways, hey, I hope this is helpful to see how you can mount one of these aftermarket seats in your Kubota tractor. Hope the video is helpful, and as always, I hope you have a great day.